How to use heat map on Reyee app. Open the Reyee app and find heat map in the toolkit. With heat map, you can use artificial intelligence to select the best placement for your APs. By simulating a visible signal strength heat map, you can quickly plan ideal AP placements to achieve optimal wireless coverage. Click Start and upload your floor plan from your photo album. In this video, an example floor plan will be used for demonstration purposes. Enter the actual area of your space. You can choose to manually place APs or let AI calculate the most suitable placement for you through auto. After calculation is complete, you can see the current coverage effect of each placed AP in the generated preview. The AI selected model and quantity of APs are also displayed below. If you want to improve upon AI's recommended results, click Modify Plan to change current settings. You can move an AP's position or switch its model type as well as delete some existing ones while adding new ones. You may also copy an existing AP, saving changes. Once satisfied with any modifications made, click Download or Save Image to save a snapshot of your current preview image. Click Home at any time during editing process where all created heat maps are stored. Clicking on one allows further editing until desired results are achieved. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us doc@ruijie.com.cn. See you in the next video.